Now we will solve questions from problem set 7. Question number 1. Write the correct alternative answer for each of the following questions. So first sub question. Which of the following data is not primary? Which of the following data is not primary? A option, by visiting a certain class, gathering information about attendance of students. Then next is by actual visit to homes to find number of family members. Then third is to get information regarding plantation of soybean done by each farmer from the village talati. And D option is review the cleanliness status of canals by actually visiting them. Students, primary data means someone collects the information personally by asking questions, taking measurements, etc. It is called as primary data. And the data collected from some sources is known as secondary data. So here question is which of the following data is not primary? So C option is correct. To get information regarding plantation of soybean done by each farmer from the village talati. This data is not primary data. This data is secondary data. Second sub question. What is the upper class limit for the class 25 to 35? What is the upper class limit for the class 25 to 35? A option 25, B option 35, C option 60, D option 30. So 25 is lower class limit and 35 is upper class limit. So for this class, the upper class limit is 35. So B option is correct, 35. Third sub question. What is the class mark of class 25 to 35? So class mark equal to upper class limit plus lower class limit divided by 2, means 25 plus 35 divided by 2. So first option is given 25, second is given 35, third is given 60 and fourth is given 30. So 25 plus 35 divided by 2 is 30. So D option is correct, that is 30. Fourth sub question. If the classes are 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, etc., then in which class should the observation 10 be included? A option 0 to 10, B option 10 to 20, C option 0 to 10 and 10 to 20 in these two classes, or D option 20 to 30. So if the classes are 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, then in which class should the observation 10 be included? So 10 be included in class 10 to 20, not in 0 to 10. 10, this observation 10 is included in the class 10 to 20. So B option is correct, that is 10 to 20. Fifth sub question. If x bar is the mean of x1, x2, so on xn, and y bar is the mean of y1, y2, dash 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 y1, and z bar is the mean of x1, x2, dash 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 xn, y1, y2, dash 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 y1, then z bar equal to mean means sum of all observation divided by 2. So here A option is given x bar plus y bar divided by 2, x bar plus y bar. C option is x bar plus y bar divided by n, and D option is given x bar plus y bar divided by 2n. So mean means sum of all observations upon number of observations. So A option is correct, that is x bar plus y bar divided by 2. Students, 6th and 7th sub questions are for self study. Now 8th sub question. What is the mode of 19, 19, 15, 20, 25, 15, 20, 15? First option is given 15, second option is given 20, third option is given 19 and fourth option is given 25. So in these observations, 15 occurs maximum number of time. 15 occurs maximum number of time. Therefore, mode is 15. Mode is 15. So A option is correct, 15. Now 9th sub question. What is the median of 7, 10, 7, 5, 9, 10? So students, for finding median, first arrange data in ascending order. That is 5, 7, 7, 9, 10, 10. So here number of observation is 6. Number of observation is 6. That is even. That is even. So find out the mean of middle two numbers. That is 7 plus 9 divided by 2. Middle two numbers are 7 and 9. So 7 plus 9 divided by 2. So answer is 8. So first option is given 7, second is given 9, third option is given 8, fourth option is given 10. So C option is correct, that is 8. Now question number 10. From following table, what is the cumulative frequency of less than type for the class 30 to 40? First row it is given class 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and 40 to 50. Second row it is given frequencies 7, 3, 12, 13, 2. Read question carefully. What is the cumulative frequency of less than type for the class 30 to 40? 30 to 40 here. For the class 30 to 40 frequency is 13. So cumulative frequency less than type for the class 30 to 40 is 7 plus 3 plus 12 plus 13. 7 plus 3 plus 12 plus 13, that is 35. So answer is 35. A option is given 13, B option is given 15, C option is given 35, D option is given 22. So C option is correct, that is 35.